Hey everybody, today we're going to show you how to reset your oil light on your KTM 890 adventure bike. Now with this, if you need to know how to change the oil, we've got a separate video, so go check that out. But for now, let's get this light reset. We're going to start out by just putting the key in the run position. Then we have our warning lights. I'm just going to back out of those. There's the service one. Now to get that service light reset, I'm going to hit the set button. I'm going to scroll up once. That's going to take me to the settings menu. You can scroll down or up, either one, and then press the up and down arrow for 3 seconds. And now we can reset the distance and the date. You can check your manual for your next interval. Hit the set button, we'll set the date. And then to finish up, we just need to back out. And you can verify that the service light was reset by cycling your key. So I'm going to back out of the side stand. The service light is no longer there, so we know we've done it correctly. So that's it for resetting the service light on your KTM 890 adventure bike. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments. If you need anything for your bike, head over to our website and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. I'm Charles with Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.